Mm. All right, Felix Beltran. And on this one, is there an application? Okay.
Speak up.
Good afternoon.
Good morning.
Thank you for your patience. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 009628 State versus Felix Sebastian Beltran Jr. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Brendan Martinez from Mr. Beltran.
And are you Mr. Beltran?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have your.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Beltran, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment? State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Judge, we move to proceed on the lesser included offense of deadly conduct with a firearm, the third degree felony.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Did you review the court's admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
The state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of deadly conduct firearm as a third degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him? Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Beltran, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, if you're not a U.S. citizen, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 4 years in the prison. The state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of deadly conduct. There's a $2,000 fine. No applications. The state is taking in consideration 2025 CR 011245. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions? Then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contact.
State, any evidence?
State offers states one in attachments.
And state, have you had a chance to speak with the complainant?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
This pause right here is tense. The court is reviewing the exhibits instead of hearing live witnesses. In stipulated plea deals, everything hinges on paperwork. No dramatic witness testimony, no cross-examination, just the written record deciding guilt.
All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
You said the court to file the plea agreement, Judge.
All right, the court will sentence you to 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There should be no contact with
The judge's final warning is basically guns
Anything you wish to
plus
say on behalf of your
temper
client?
equals disaster. This
All right,
kind
the
of
court will
personal
sentence you to
lecture
4 years
isn't
in the prison,
required, but judges
you
often
credit for
use
any
this
time
moment to
served.
drive home the real-life consequences. Do you think these speeches make a difference, or do they go in one ear and out the other?
Else with regards to sentencing?
Clear, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You're one of those people, you should not have a weapon. Because with possessing weapons comes great responsibility. And if you have a temper, you shouldn't have one. Because that's always people's first option, and it shouldn't be your first option when people are having conversations. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you. Thank you, counsel.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
You good?